Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Soundpad in FiveM. Alright, so let's jump straight in. We need to install and configure Soundpad. So download Soundpad from lepsoft.com and complete your initial setup. Navigate to File, Preferences and Devices, and then activate your default recording device with both the green check and the Use checkbox enabled. Now, this is for Windows 7, 8, 8.1 users. Disable Windows Audio DRM validation for proper functionality. As I said, that will only apply if you're using Windows 7, 8, or 8.1. In FiveM voice settings, select the identical recording device that Soundpad uses. This synchronization is crucial for your integration. And then disable noise suppression, echo cancellation, and audio filters in FiveM to prevent sound cutting or any type of distortion. You'll now need to optimize your audio levels. So use Soundpad's volume slider to for speakers output control. Enable volume normalization via File, Preferences, Audio, and then look for volume normalization for consistent playback. Ensure that Windows microphone volume stays above 74 decibels to prevent automatic sound filtering that could block your audio altogether. Load your custom sound files into Soundpad and assign convenient hotkeys or shortcuts for quick access during roleplay sessions. And then test all sounds with friends to confirm perfect clarity as well as volume balance before going live in your FiveM server.